my name is Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to go from a boring dresser like this to something like this using this beautiful crystal doorknob. They come in these tiny boxes in a set of 12. Now you need E600 glue, measuring tape, a pencil, and your dresser. There are two ways of doing this. I will be showing you the first one. I'm measuring on here. So for example, if it says 8 inches, you know that half of 8 is 4. So you're going to draw a dot right on the 4. And now you're going to measure horizontal. Once I'm done lightly marking with my pencil the dots, I am going to take the crystal knob and I'm going to put it smack in those dots. And I am going to again lightly just mark it in a circle of that knob, so that way I'll know where exactly to glue it. As you can see, it is going to look like this. There are circles all over now, and that way it will be easier for you to glue it on. Now the next way of doing this is by taking out all of your clothes, which I know it is a longer process, but I believe that this process was much better for me because you're going to end up taking out all the clothes either way, so might as well just do it from the beginning. I am going to do the exact same thing I did and the exact same thing I showed you before, which is I am going to just measure the height, and I am just going to mark with a pencil smack in the middle, and then I am going to go again horizontally and just mark it again also in the middle. If you think that there were some markings that were measured wrong, go ahead and put all of the drawers, the empty drawers, put them on the floor and just line them up. Once you just put them one underneath the other, take out the measuring tape and just measure from the first one up to the last drawer, and you're just going to make sure that that circle or that dot or whichever marking you did is exactly where the other markings right above it goes. I did do the mistake of markings were not exactly aligned. All I did was just eraser with an eraser and then just go ahead and then just do your new marking, so that way everything is aligned. This part is very important and I made a mistake on this, but first let me just show you what happened to me. Yeah, but oh, I have to fix that. So what I learned not to do is that I cannot glue it while it's on the dresser. I have to eventually take everything out, all of the drawers out, empty them out, and glue it while they are laying on the floor, only because they start sliding down and then they don't have time to dry. Lightly pressing it once you do the glue, and then you just leave it there for about 5-6 hours. Do not touch it. Also, do not forget to open your windows because this glue is highly concentrated and it smells really strong. Once you lightly touch the knobs and they are glued and they're strongly glued, go ahead and put your drawers back on your dresser. Make sure not to touch the knobs. These drawers right here, or these knobs right here, they basically just to look nice. I am not going to pull them, only because I did them the lazy way, which is just glue them on. I don't have time for all the drilling and all the making the holes and all that stuff. You're going to just wipe everything off. You're just going to wipe your work area and make sure that everything is nice, pretty, and perfect. And that is it. As you can see, it looks a lot better than how it looked before. Don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when my next video will be up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Till next time, ciao.